What we got is a thermostat on a 2000 through 2005 Cadillac DeVille DTS DHS. So to access it, easiest way, it's in here. This is it. To access it, I always remove the air filter housing, all that, intake tube, disconnect mass airflow sensor. I remove the entire housing out the way, even the base, that part. Sits right here. The PCM sits in there. I take that out because it gives me good enough clearance to access everything, which would be just this clamp right here. And then you got two 10 millimeters that sit like this. Remove those two 10s and pry it off. It should come off, but sometimes it pry it off. That's it. Replace it, put it back together. When you begin and you finish, this should be the beginning and the end result. Thermostat's changed out. Everything's back in place.